Can we override private method? Let's try it out. To be honest, I didn't really think of a way to override private method, but this is if I was asked in the interview this question, I would be, to be honest, feeling really weird because the goal of private method is to be used internally. So I don't know why would someone try to do this, but let's try it out. So now we're gonna be making a class. I'm not out of name, so let's say call it human. So this one we're gonna be creating private abstract, and let's say void do something, and this is basically it. So now you will find that hey, it tells us you can't have a legal combination of modifier abstract and private. So it makes sense. You shouldn't really be used private, uh, but so I guess you can't really use this. But let's try a different approach. So now let's not do it abstract. Let's do it private, and we add some kind of body here. So let's say the body is gonna be printing something. So I'm gonna be printing. So now can we override this in the child or not? So we're gonna be close child, which is gonna be extend human, and we want to override this. So let's override method. So if you notice that we don't really have any override for the private method that we have, we only have the object class that's basically the root parent of all classes that we create. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this one here, and I'm gonna copy it, and I'm gonna be printing child, not just printing. But you notice that we don't have any usage. We don't really have anything like related to this part. So yeah, you can't really have like this kind of private override. And even if we try to override, it will most probably tell you, hey, method does not override methods from its superclass. See, it doesn't make sense. Yeah, so you can't really override private method.